Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor and today's video is my stay-at-home mom cleaning routine. These are just some daily tasks that I do every day to help me keep my house clean and in order and so things don't get out of control. So first, I always love to start in my bedroom with making my bed and just picking up any mess that may be on the floor that needs to be put away. Making up my bed in the morning is just so helpful. It helps me to be super productive. One of the things that I do as a stay-at-home mom is get dressed every day and do my best to make up my bed every day. If I don't make up my bed, it's usually not because I didn't want to or I didn't have time to. Sometimes my husband works from home and he may work from bed some days, like he'll just kind of hang out in our room, and I don't ever want to just like kick him out of the room. But any days where he gets up and gets out of bed right away, I do my best to go in and make the bed right away. It just makes me feel super productive every time I walk past my bedroom. And it definitely keeps me from sitting down on the bed or laying down on the bed throughout the day. So I'm up and on my feet moving all day. And then after I make up the bed, I'm just going to pick up anything that may be on the floor. Usually we put our pajamas on our bed so that we can wear them again the next day, or my husband may put them on top of our armoire. But this particular day, I decided to go ahead and wash everyone's pajamas. And then I go pick up things on my nightstand. So my son has been sick and I had his nebulizer on there from the night before. So I'm just going to do a quick wipe down with disinfecting wipes just to get rid of any germs, because I am trying to keep our house clean to make sure the sickness doesn't linger around.
Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
And really quickly, as I was cleaning up my room, I had a package of items that I ordered from Victoria's Secret Pink. They had a really good sale going on online. If you are anything like me, I love a good bargain and a good deal, especially as a stay-at-home mom and we're on a budget. I try to buy everything when it's on sale, like really marked down, and they had a really good sale going on. Everything was like an additional 25% off clearance prices, so I stocked up on a couple of items for the summertime. I also got myself a sweater. I probably won't wear that until much later in the year. I am from South Florida, so I don't need a sweater right now, but it was only $9 and I thought it was really cute, so I decided to get it and hold on to it until it cools down here again.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough.
So now we're moving into my master bathroom, which is very small. So if you're new to my channel, well, if you're new to my channel, first let me introduce myself. My name is Taylor. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom. I have two boys, a Jackson who's 7 and my 2-year-old Lincoln. And I live in the South Florida area. My home is very old and we've been renovating and working on projects throughout the house, which is why some areas of my home may look older than other areas of my home. But we've kind of taken a break from renovation projects right now. Our last big project, we had a little bit of a hard time with it, so we decided to take a break before we do anything else, which is why you may notice my bathroom may look a lot older compared to like my bedroom or something. But because my bathroom is so small, I do my best to try to keep it clean, because it looks very messy in here very easily with like the slightest bit of anything. Like if I leave anything out, it looks insane. And in here on this particular day, the night before, my boys had taken a bath in here, so there was just a little bit more mess than I would like. So I wanted to do just a quick little tidy up to make it all neat and clean again.
Wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know
now we are moving into my boys' bathroom, which was really quick and easy for me to clean this morning. Normally I would do like a wipe up and pick up anything that may be left on the floor after I dropped my son Jackson off at school from when he was getting ready. But on this particular day, I just needed to quickly wipe down the counters, clean out the toothpaste in the sink from where he brushed his teeth, and I just did a quick wipe down of the toilets because I have boys and the toilets can always be cleaned. So I knew it would need it, but their bathroom didn't require much this morning, so I didn't have to spend a lot of time in there before I moved into the kitchen to do a quick little wipe down in here. I like to try and keep it clean in here throughout the day. It just makes cooking so much easier for me. And this big beautiful bouquet of flowers was so special. It was actually my friend, her boyfriend, who is now her fiance. Her boyfriend had these delivered to my house because he was planning to propose to her, and it was a surprise proposal, and he invited all of her friends. So he asked me to bring this bouquet of flowers for them to the proposal. So it was so sweet. The bouquet was absolutely beautiful, but it was so big that I could not fit it in anything overnight, so I had to put water in the sink and just kind of keep them in the sink. And if you notice, I kept a black cup on the counter. That's because I was using that to put ice in the water. I am not a real flower person. I love them, but I don't know how to care for them. So I was asking everyone I know for advice, and they all told me like ice water and plant food was good for them. I didn't have plant food, so I just kept putting ice in the water, just doing my best to keep them beautiful until it was time for the proposal. And they were so beautiful, like when he did do it.
Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than.
Now we are moving into my family room area, and this is where my family spends a lot of time. And like I said, my younger son Lincoln was sick, so I decided to go ahead and take our throw blankets and just give those a wash in some really hot water to try and kill off any germs. You'll notice that he's kind of been walking around throughout the video, eating a few snacks and like a bag of chips, and I've just kind of been letting him on this day because he had just gotten his appetite back from being sick. He hadn't eaten much real food in about 2 days, so when he started showing any interest in food, I kind of was okay with it. And once he stuck his hands inside the bag of chips, I was like, you know what, I don't want to put those back and risk anyone getting sick, so you can have the entire bag.
You don't have to hide it, baby, let your head down, be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
And now we are all done. This is just what I do on a regular every day to help keep things in order. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you, and also please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.